In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a powerful and unique profile, one that will get results. So the most important thing is that when you invite someone to connect or you send somebody a message and they go to check you out, they probably, like everybody else, only have an attention span of about 7 seconds or less. So what they're going to look at is just the top here. 90% of the time. They will not go any further down. They might, but this is what matters. So in my case, and I'm going to jump back and forth between myself and Judy Fox's profile because it's the best I've ever seen. And I've got some of my ideas from her. So right away, you see I've got a picture that kind of stands out off the page. And then this is where it's extremely important is I'm saying I'm the owner at linkedinlife.org, owner of AZ Luxury Living Real Estate, recently generated 14.9 million in referrals from LinkedIn and over 100 million sold residential real estate. So I'm setting status there that I am worth talking to. If we jump over to Judy, her banner stands way, way out off the page, jumps off the page, and she gets right into it also. LinkedIn business coach, sales and video strategy podcast, approachable and hilarious, and even some hashtags. Now, if they go any further, they'll jump down a little bit to your about section. And this you need to have as bullet points. People don't read paragraphs anymore. They just read bullet points. So what I've done is I've talked about my journey, how I got to the LinkedIn strategy, training the LinkedIn strategy, a little bit about my real estate, and my LinkedIn strategy is for you if, and some results and some testimonials. Exact same with Judy. Her journey. LinkedIn Business Accelerator is for you if, and some of her success stories or success statistics and testimonials. And bottom line, that is about it. If they ever go any further down, which is highly unlikely, wherever your experience is, the longer the better. So 20 years in AZ Luxury Living, 3 years and 9 months with the LinkedIn Life. You don't want to have a bunch of 6 months, 1 year, et cetera, et cetera. And last but not least, you would just copy and paste some of the things you set up top into your experience. And that should do it. So hopefully that all makes sense. And I'll either talk to you, I'll see you in another video.